Welcome to our Editing Order Details video. GlobalLink allows you to view all details of a single order on a single page in a neat and organized fashion. From there, you can essentially edit all details associated with the order. Let's take a look at the details for an order. First, go to the Manage Orders page. Then, in the data table below, you'll see a list of orders that are already completed. Under the ID column, you could click any order ID to take you to the details of an order. Let's see how the order details page is laid out. First, up top, you'll see the status summary section. This gives you a bird's eye view of the current status of the order and how far along it has been processed. Next, let's expand the View Payment, Shipping, and Feedback Details section. You will be able to view and edit the checkout information, payment information, shipping details, tracking number information, the customs form details, and the ship from address. You can simply do so by viewing the edit buttons on the right side, and you can edit each respective section. For example, if I wanted to edit the payment status, I could click on Edit here and then change the payment status. Or let's just say I wanted to edit some of the shipping details. I could go to the shipping details section and click the Edit button. Here I can edit the tracking details, custom form details, and the seller shipping address. Next, we can expand the View Buyer Shipping Address section, and then you can see that we can configure the buyer shipping address depending on preferences or depending on what the buyer says to us in the email, perhaps. So how do we edit the buyer shipping address? We can simply click on the Edit button here, and then we will be given the option to use the eBay shipping address, the PayPal shipping address, or if the buyer emails us with a different address, we can click this button next to the custom shipping address and enter it manually. And if you want to learn more about how to set up default shipping addresses, perhaps you want to use PayPal shipping addresses for all your orders from here on out, you can actually reference our setting up shipping addresses video. Lastly, we have the View Invoice Details section. Here, you can view the current order invoice that was sent out to the buyer, and then you can click the Edit button to revise the details and resend another invoice to the buyer. And this actually wraps up our order details page. If we click back, after we arrive at the Manage Orders page, GlobalLink also provides a convenient bulk edit function. For example, you can bulk edit the payment statuses or bulk edit the shipping details. So for example, let's just say for the following orders that I select now, I wanted to edit the shipping details. Then it would open up an Edit Orders function, whereby I can select the fields I want to edit and drag them to the selected groups, click OK, and then when I continue, I will be taken to a bulk edit page whereby I can bulk edit, for example, the customs form customs name across all the orders I selected, or I can edit the seller ship from address across all the orders so that when I print shipping labels, they will all use the following seller shipping address. This concludes our editing order details video. Thank you very much.